Hello again and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to copy a file of a mobile device to another device to a Chromecast or a TV box, for example, even to a Fire Stick. For this we are going to help each other of an application called CX Explorer is the one I use for this. Let's go to the Play Store and love CX File Explorer. So now it comes out. In this case I already have it installed and it would be the CX Expert of files, so this must be install it on both important devices. First we open in the place where we have the file to send, so let's go here on mobile. I have a file that I want copy to another device. Then we open the device, we go to network and here we click on the circle orange and we start the service. Then there appears a series of features. That is what we have that copy to the other device. We're leaving now device, we go to the other device. Then we open CX Music Explorer. We are going to new remote location FTP. There we copy the numbers that they came out on the other side: 192, 168 point, 175 port is what is after. The 2 points in this case would be 83, 38. We put FTP because it is not FTPS. User number would be good PC on. Each one will not give. One has given me that in this case. So here we would put 83744 and we accept. So now we are inside the first device. Then we have to look for the file that we want to copy to this end. In this case I had it in download and I want copy anything we have. Here we go. Copy this PDF file called Job Market. We can buy an app. What we want in this case would be this employment exchange voucher. We select and give 6100:03:09,159-00:03:13,879 copies. So now we have to do is where we want to copy it. Then we click above on the arrow. From above we click again, we click again, and we are already on the screen. Main of CX. Let's go local and where we want it copy. Then let's go dinner and where else we like it. Well, here in the folder documents, for example, and I give paste. Then we would be done by now. This would be copied. We can do it on the PC, but for this what we have to do is to open the Explorer folder. Files, not the browser. The folder file is the yellow one. Then the yellow already copied these same data, but we have to copy it as it appears. 1928, 2 points, and the port we give to intro appears now. To put the PC on username and password, and that's it. We would enter the mobile device and we could copy the file to our PC that we would have unloaded in the mobile. Well, I hope it helps you. Greetings and until next time.